Good Morning Britain presenter Piers Morgan said if he was the monarch he would insist the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, who are living in a mansion in California after quitting royal duties, have to drop the titles. He made the comments ahead of the upcoming Meghan review. Writing in the Daily Mail, the former newspaper editor blasted, "It's outrageous that the pair of them swan around America selling themselves off their titles to the highest bidder, and makes an absolute mockery of their endless whining about how they had to flee the royal family and Britain to find freedom." If you want freedom, my little ponytailed latte slurping lentil munchers, then call yourselves Simple Henry and Meghan Windsor and see how many dollars fly into your booming bank accounts then. No. They wanted freedom from boring royal duty but the right to keep their royal titles without doing any of the work to merit them. And it stinks. Mr. Morgan also accused Harry of wanting to have his royal cake and eat it following reports he is desperate to keep his honorary military titles. But he added, "None of this justifies him being allowed to retain honorary military titles he was given through his royal status when he still performed royal duties." Mr. Morgan questioned whether Harry will be able to commit to the positions as he launches a new career in America, which has already seen him and former actress Meghan strike lucrative deals with Netflix and Spotify. The GMB host said, "That is the $100 million question," which coincidentally is the amount of money he and Meghan are believed to have secured from Netflix for a series of woke documentaries. The answer, surely, is nowhere near enough. And even if Harry did promise to fly endlessly back and forth across the Atlantic to fulfill all his military duties, vastly ramping up the size of his carbon footprint in the process, why should the Queen allow it? The bottom line is that once again, Harry wants to have his royal cake and eat it.